Good morning, children. Today we are going to study about nouns, and this topic is very common but very important. So let us have a look on the slides. Nouns. If we talk about the definition, nouns are the naming words of person, place, animal or thing. Nouns are always called the naming words, and a noun, that word which functions as the name of some specific thing or set of things, such as living creatures, objects, places, actions, qualities, states of existence or ideas. Let us have a look on the types of nouns. You must have been heard about only 5 types of nouns, but here we are going to discuss about more. First is proper noun, then common noun, then concrete noun, abstract noun, collective noun, material noun. Sometimes the nouns are called countable and uncountable also. So let us understand it with a very descriptive way. First one is proper noun. Let us see. A proper noun is a name that identifies a particular person, place or thing. Means name in the world of anything, that will be called proper noun. It can be name of people, it can be name of countries, towns, rivers, any of your pets, months, days, etc. Means any name in the world. Children, keep in your mind that proper nouns are always written as capital letters, means it starts with a capital letter, it begins with a capital letter. Let us see the example. The Taj Mahal is a beautiful monument. Here you can see Taj Mahal. Taj, T, Taj starts with T and it is written as capital. Mumbai is a big city. Mumbai M, it begins with capital letter. Let us see the examples. Here you can see some of the examples of proper nouns, and it is very clear all these are names, whether it is country, whether it is monument, whether it is person, whether it is king, or whether it is any of the holy book Bible. Common noun. A common noun is a noun that refers to people or things in general. Means generally what we call anything, that is called common noun. Common nouns can be name of dog, hat, school, anything. If we call Delhi Public School, it means it is a particular name of a school, then Delhi Public School will be proper, but when we call it only school, it means it will be common. If we say dog, it means the word dog is common noun, but if we call it moti, then it means moti is common noun for dog. You can see the example also. The girl is playing. Here girl is not a particular name of any girl. So girl is the word common noun, dog is the word common noun, but particularly when it will be named, then it will call proper noun. Let us see the examples through these pictures. Cat, man, furniture, boy, animals, fruit, flower, house. Next comes concrete noun. Concrete noun is a noun which refers to people and to things that exist physically and can be seen, touched, smelt, heard or tasted. Means the things which you can touch, which you can see, smell, hear or taste. Those nouns, those names will be called the concrete noun. They are made of some substance or materials and you can experience these things physically. Children, keep in your mind and don't be confused ever that common nouns, material nouns, proper nouns and collective nouns, all these nouns comes in the category of concrete noun. So hope it is very clear to you. Let us see through this picture nouns which you can taste, touch, see, hear or smell. These will be called the concrete nouns. How can you differentiate between concrete and material noun? As we talked about, concrete nouns are the nouns which can be touched, which can be felt physically. At the same time, material nouns also, which can be touched, which can be seen, which can be felt. So let us see the difference here. Concrete nouns are the names of objects which can be seen, touched, like tree, like girl, like any animal, and they are made of some substance or material. Material nouns. Material nouns are the words for materials or ingredients that other things are made from. Here you can see the difference. The things made from means if we say furniture, furniture is concrete noun, but if we say wood, then wood will be the material noun because furniture is made up of wood. If we say rubber, then rubber will be material noun, but at the same time, if we say tire, because tire is made of rubber, so tire will be concrete noun, but rubber will be the material noun. So hope the difference is very clear to you. Let us see through examples of concrete nouns. Here very clearly you can see in concrete nouns category tree, flowers, water, computer, elephant and baby. In material nouns category you can see rice, sugar, water, milk. So a material noun is a name of a substance as a whole. Next comes abstract noun. An abstract noun is a noun which refers to ideas, qualities and conditions, means things that cannot be seen or touched. In concrete noun we have seen we can see, we can touch, but just opposite of that, abstract noun means which cannot be seen, which cannot be felt, which cannot be touched, means physically you cannot experience the nouns in reality. So these are the names of things which we cannot see or touch, like hear, feel, think, or such as music. Music can be heard but cannot be touched. We can feel it. Love. You can feel your mother's love, but you cannot touch it. Anger. You can feel anger of your teacher, anger of your mother, but you cannot touch. You cannot see. So keep in your mind, children, that abstract nouns cannot be seen or touched, but it can be heard or felt. So they are not made of any substance or any material. Qualities like kindness, loyalty, honesty, all will be called the abstract nouns. Let us see through examples here. An abstract noun is something you cannot touch, see, taste, smell, but you can hear. But you see the examples here. Bravery. Bravery you cannot see, but you can feel. Health of any person. Freedom. These are the examples of abstract noun. Let us see collective noun. Collective noun is the main basic word here is collection. Collection refers to group, means collectively a particular thing or people or animal can be said collective noun. So collective noun refers to the collection. Mostly it is referred to in singular form, but sometimes plural form can be used. For example, Mowgli was adopted by a pack of wolves. Here you can see pack of wolves. It is highlighted here. Pack is the word for group of wolves. You can see in the second example, swarm of bees. Means collection of bees will be called swarm. Hope you all understood. See the example here, collective nouns, a party of friends. Then countable and uncountable nouns, the category of nouns here, this is another category. Nouns can be either countable or uncountable. Countable nouns are those that refer to something that can be counted. Children, make it clear the things which can be counted. Like you can count your books, you can count your um, notebooks, pencils, you can count your friends. So countable nouns can be both singular or plural. Example, you can say one bird. At the same time, you can see many birds because you can count bird. 3 cows. You can count cows. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So it will come in the category of countable nouns. Then comes the uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns do not typically refer to the things that can be counted, and so they do not regularly have a plural form. Uncountable nouns, they don't have plural form. Keep in your mind. For example, sugar. We never say sugars. We say sugar. Tea. We cannot say teas because it is always it comes in singular form. Through the examples you can see, children, two table of countable and uncountables. Here it is given to differentiate it very clearly. Countable nouns, chair you can count, eggs you can count, bananas you can count, oranges you can count, books, boats, folks, animals, trees. So many pictures are given here to count. In the category of uncountable nouns, so clothes, fruit, soup, these things cannot be counted. You cannot count rain, you cannot count soup, you cannot count scissors. So children, hope you all have understood it very clearly. Countable and uncountable noun. Thank you children. Hope you all have understood it.